You might want to clear your search history for privacy reasons, to keep your Play Store tidy, or just to get rid of irrelevant suggestions. It's a quick process that removes those past searches you've made. No worries. Here's how you can get this done without a hassle. Solution 1. Clear search history directly in Play Store settings. This is the fastest way to clear your Play Store search history. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Account and Device Preferences. Scroll down and tap Clear Device Search History. You'll get a confirmation pop-up. Tap Clear History. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. This method will also clear your search history, but it's a more comprehensive reset of the Play Store app itself, including any other settings or preferences you might have. Use Solution 1 first if only history is your concern. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. Restart your phone after doing this. When you open the Play Store again, it will be like a fresh install, and your search history will be gone. And that's it. One of these steps should help you delete your search history on the Google Play Store. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.